Google is annoying. I have my Home Hub, Google Home Hub, Google Nest Hub, whatever they're calling it these days. And so I just noticed this. Go to my apps and it says YTTV. So okay, that's cool. Thought I'd check it out. Click on it. It blinks like 15 times before doing nothing. Yeah. So I was wondering why. I tried it again. Because sometimes it doesn't respond. So I have to try it a couple times. And yeah, no matter how many times I try it, it doesn't work. Oh, now it's not even blinking anymore. Anyways, so I went to look online. I Googled it. And apparently YT YouTube TV isn't available in Canada. So that could be a reason why it's not working. I don't know why they would sell these with the app on it in Canada, but apparently they do, even though it can't be used. So I find that annoying. Come on, Google, do better.